Hello, fellow technicians. I want to give you a small advice that can help you make extra money in this phone repair business. Many technicians make a big mistake. They throw away old, dead, or broken phone motherboards. This is a mistake. Do not throw them away again. Old phone motherboards still contain valuable metals like gold, copper, and other materials that recycling companies buy. Even if the board is burnt, water damaged, or completely dead, it still has value. What you should do is simple. Start gathering all your old motherboards. Keep them in a bag, a bucket, or a box. Do not mix them with batteries or screens. Keep only the boards. Try to sort them. Smartphone boards on one side, small phone boards on another side. Do this for some months until you have a big quantity. When the quantity is big, you can sell them to electronic scrap buyers or recycling companies, and you will make extra money from boards you were about to throw away. In phone repair business, nothing should be wasted. Broken phones give screens, speakers, cameras, charging ports, and also motherboards for scrap value. So from today, do not throw away old motherboards. Gather them, store them, and one day you will sell them and make good money from electronic waste. Thank you for watching.